Oh, hi, buddy. How are you doing?
I'm good.
I think we are meeting after a long time, right?
Yes, yes.
So, what are you doing these days? I think I've heard that you have given NEET this year, right? So,
Yes, but I couldn't make it. I studied a lot, but all goes in vain.
why don't you opt for BPT? That is Bachelor in Physiotherapy.
Physiotherapy?
Yes.
It's not a kind of thing for me, Bhaiya.
But why?
Because I want to be a doctor desperately. I want to serve the nation by medicine, not by massage.
Okay then, come, let's go. Arey, Nivedan? What happened? You're okay?
I'm done, Bhaiya. I got a serious cramp on my back.
You seem to be in a serious discomfort. I think you should take some rest.
Not at all. I have some strong medicine with me. After taking them, I will be absolutely okay.
I think you must check a physiotherapist once.
Physiotherapist?
Yes.
No. After reaching home, I just call up my doctor, and he will be cured me absolutely well.
Do you even know what a physiotherapist can do? Right. You must check him once.
Okay, as you say, Bhaiya.
Come.
Bhaiya,
Yeah.
yesterday I saw in my FB timeline that a physiotherapy course can be completed within 3 months. So why should I spend 4 years? That will be better for me.
You are having so many misconceptions, buddy. I think you seriously need to look onto this. Just check this out.
Physiotherapy is a healthcare profession concerned with human function and movement and maximizing physical potential. Physiotherapists assess, plans, and implement rehabilitative programs that restore or improve human motor functions, relieve pain syndromes, maximize movement ability, and treat or prevent physical challenges associated with injuries, diseases, and other impairments. BPT or Bachelor of Physiotherapy is an undergraduate course. This professional course is 4.5 years long, which includes 4 years of academic and 6 months of internship. Candidate must pass 10+2 examination of the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, CBSE, ICSE or its equivalent from any recognized board or council, with at least 50% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and biology, and individual passing marks in each subject. The West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board will conduct a common entrance examination, JENPAS UG, for the admission of Bachelor of Physiotherapy in the state of West Bengal. And for other states, student can give common entrance test and other state exams as per the latest guidelines.
Arey, Nivedan, why are you stalled over here?
No, nothing.
Come on, buddy. You still have lot more to know. This is just a promo. Come on. So I hope that video made some of your doubts clear.
There is lot to know, bhaiya. I am unaware of many aspects of physiotherapy. So tell me one thing, bhaiya. Why does it take so much time to learn physiotherapy? Near about 4.5 years. Because physiotherapy is mainly associated with massage.
Excuse me, I think I've got it all wrong, buddy. Hi, I'm Shruti Chitlangi, a student of BP second year. And physiotherapy has got some major subjects which is included in the 4-year syllabus. And along with the theories, we also need to be mastered in the practical practice.
That's right. And actually, those subjects are something that the physiotherapist deals, which actually enables them to understand the overall human body functions. And in this profession, where actually our hands speak more than our words.
Yeah, so in the first year, you are having the subjects anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, exercise therapy part 1 and electrotherapy part 1. And in the first year, massage is just a small part of exercise therapy, which we call it as soft tissue manipulation, which you were then and now associating with the physiotherapist. And in the second year, we're having the subjects biomechanics, electrotherapy part 2, exercise therapy part 2, pathology, psychology, microbiology, sociology and pharmacology.
That's right. And as you progress to third year, we will have neurology, orthopedics, physical functional assessment, besides surgery and medicine. And as we go to fourth year, we learn about the PT management of neuro, ortho, surgery and medicine.
And you know what? Each year you need to score a cumulative number in all the subjects, both in theory and practical, so that you are promoted to the next year.
And at the end of fourth year, you need to complete a compulsory 6 months internship, after which you will be designated as a physiotherapist.
Oh my god, a physiotherapist is so much knowledgeable and I was unaware of it. Thank you very much both of you for sharing the information.
You're most welcome.
Oh, it's 9 a.m. I think Nivedan, we must go. The clinic has opened. Come.
Hey Shujoy,
Yeah.
who's he? Your friend?
Yeah. Actually a friend, but a misconception holder, who in the future will be a PT title holder. I'll catch you up later. Bye.
Okay.
Hey Nivedan, what happened?
No, nothing bhaiya.
Come, let's go.
Bhaiya, I have some doubts and questions. Can you tell me in more detail?
Yeah, please, what do you want to know?
I am very much eager to know about physiotherapy. Please tell me about it.
Okay, you ask.
Being a physio, will I only picking the patient of muscular injuries and pain?
No, see, this is not at all right. Being a physio, you can treat a wide variety of cases, starting from pre-op cases, post-op, burns, gynae, pediatric cases, geriatric. There are a wide variety of cases which a physiotherapist treats.
Okay. But after completing my DPT, how can I establish myself?
See, there are many ways in which you can build up your career. You can start your own clinic over where you will be practicing. which are there for a physiotherapist. You can apply for them. There are many renowned private hospitals also. You can apply for your physiotherapy jobs over there. Otherwise, you can be part of NGO. There are multiple job prospects as being a physiotherapist.
Wow, Big Bro, you are such a knowledgeable man.
Thank you very much.
And you trust a physio so very much.
Yes, I do.
So after completing BPT, I hope there is scope to do masters.
Of course, there are masters in several fields like masters in orthopedics, masters in musculoskeletal, masters in neurology, gynecology, masters in sports. There are many areas in which you can complete your MPTs. Right, MPT here stands for the Master in Physiotherapy, and this is not the all. After completing a master, you can also take it up to your PhDs. Without saying so much, come, let's greet you with some of the masters of the profession.
You wanted to know about Masters in Physiotherapy? There's immense potential because once you've done your bachelor's, the world's at your feet. You can practice, you can do everything. But the Masters is what gives you that finishing edge, that edge over others. So all the fields are available to you: neurology, musculoskeletal, women's health, geriatrics, pediatrics, oncology, community health. And more fields are emerging because the world realizes that there are certain things that only a physiotherapist can do. And the master's degree involves you to kind of hone up your skills, and not only hone up your skills but also to kind of make you think beyond what is taught to you at the bachelor's level. So you start questioning, you start doing research, and that puts you at par with world-class professionals. Because until and unless you have a master's degree, you are like a diamond which is semi-polished. If you want to be completely polished, there's a master's degree for you. And then again, that's not the end of the road, because after a few years, go on and do a PhD, because that would be the complete finishing touch to what your professional life should be.
Hello, I'm Dr. Subhashish. I'm a neurophysiotherapist. So you can opt neurophysiotherapy after your graduation. So I did masters, and being a neurophysiotherapist, you can treat a number of patients like stroke, spinal cord injury, several neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis. So neurophysiotherapy practice is not limited to one condition. There's a vast role of physiotherapy in neurological disorders.
Hey Nivedan!
Yes.
Where were you?
No, nothing. I'm good.
You seem to be lost.
No, I just wondering how long I was.
That's right, you are having so many misconceptions. I hope I could make some of them clear.
Yes, absolutely.
Hey, where is the first patient, Sujoy?
Oh, hi Shruti, how are you? So, there you go. He's the one. He's Nivedan Das, a friend of mine. He has suddenly got a cramp in the low back.
Hi Nivedan, nice meeting you. You are damn lucky. You are the first patient for the internship of Sujoy. He's a very good student from our college. Always up and forward in promoting the course.
about it. I told you a lot of things. Please don't mind. I am really sorry.
Don't be sorry. I am happy that I could break those myths in one individual of the society. And as this chain follows on, you will break these myths in others, and one day the society will credit a physiotherapist for this pain-free world. Come on. Because you know what? We have perseverance.
We are helpful.
We make no to yes.
We strengthen.
We ignite.
We optimize. We treat.
We heal. We enable the digital.
We rehabilitate.
We assess.
We prescribe.
We improve. We stabilize.